Hello friends, hope you're doing good. Today we'll discuss how to clean junk files, free up disk space and boost your PC performance. WMaster Cleanup is all-in-one window cleaner and optimizer. You can delete duplicate files, uninstall apps, and protect your privacy in one click. Let me show you how you can use WMaster Cleanup tool. Let's go to Google and search for WMaster Cleanup. Then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. And this is the homepage of WMaster Cleanup, an all-in-one Windows cleaner and optimizer. We can clean, speed up, and protect our PC for free. It is an ultimate disk cleanup to date. You can clean junk files, free up disk space, protect your privacy, and improve PC performance. Enjoy a fast, safer, and cleaner PC with WMaster Cleanup in one click. You can download it for free for a limited time. This amazing tool is available for Windows and Microsoft Store. With the help of this amazing tool, we can use this as disk cleanup, clean C drive, software management, delete duplicate files, clean cache, disk space analyzer, clean browser cache, and we can protect our PC. We can clean up our computer system from junk files in just one click. We can also find different features of this amazing advanced tool to protect our computer system from unwanted files. So why should anyone choose WMaster Cleanup as Windows cleaner? Because it cleans various junk files every day for global users. You can say goodbye to low disk space problem and boost your PC performance for a lifespan. Now go to the top and click on download now. Once your software is downloaded successfully, here we can see our WMaster Cleanup. We can scan and clean up junk files from disk. Here we can find different features: PC optimizer, clean C drive, clean privacy, disk analyzer, uninstall apps, duplicate clean, clean cache, and browser history. We can also find different features below. First of all, let's go through clean C drive. Here we can see we can clean up disk and speed up our computer. Full cleanup, deep cleaning unnecessary files on system disk, big file transfer, moving large files and software in just one click. Now click on scan. Once we click on scan, at the top of our canvas, we can see scanning has started. Here we can see our storage is 37.8 GB free. After using this, we can find junk files. From here, we can select the files we want to remove. Once everything is done, click on clean. It takes a few seconds to clean. Once cleaning is completed, we can see 4.6 GB has been released. Here we can see our storage has increased as well. Now we want to uninstall apps completely. Here we can see delete all installed apps in one click to check the status of our installed application. Now click on scan now. Here WMaster Cleanup is processing and checking all the application. Once everything is done, we found 75 programs. Here we can find all the applications in our computer system. We can uninstall applications according to our needs. Now I'll uninstall an application. I'll click on uninstall and it will take a few seconds to uninstall the application. Once we uninstall the application, here we can see it asks for confirmation. Are you sure you want to remove this application from your computer? Once you click on uninstall, WMaster Cleanup will uninstall the complete application effortlessly. Now on the canvas, we can see our application is uninstalled successfully. Now we want to delete duplicate files. For that purpose, click on duplicate clean. Once we enter, from here we can remove useless duplicates to free up valuable disk space. For that purpose, click on scan now. It will start scanning all files in our computer system. On the right side of the canvas, we can see images, similar images, videos, audios, and documents. Now we will open our disk drive D. Here we can find the folder Han New. Here different files are available. Now we will open disk E. Here we can also find a duplicate file of Han New. After scanning is complete, we can see all the duplicate files on our canvas. From here we can click on video. And here we can see all the duplicate files on our canvas. We can select one by one, or we can use the auto select option. For this purpose, we will go through the auto select option. Once we click on auto select, it will automatically select duplicate files. Then click on move to trash. It will ask for confirmation. Once we click on confirm, it will start removing the selected duplicate files. Once everything is done, we can see no duplicate files found. After that, now we will check our disk. Here on disk, we can see there is no file in our folder. Now we will open the second file. Here we can find videos. With the help of WMaster Cleanup, we can delete duplicate files easily and effortlessly. So that's how you can clean and optimize your PC using WMaster Cleanup. You can try this tool by clicking on the link in the description. And that's it from Teacher Friend in today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye and take care.